Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. STEM toys for kids made relatable for children of color. That's what a company called Brown Toy Box has created, with kits focused on subjects like coding, astronomy, chemistry, robotics, and more. Founder Terri-Nichelle Bradley says no screens necessary, just engaging activities and characters.
Maya is our coding and app genius kid, right? And we are teaching some of the fundamentals, right? So they've got like a logic card game in there that really focuses on physicality, but learning some of the functions of logic, and then also binary coding, right? So they're making a bracelet using binary coding.
Smart and fun, the Brown Toy Box kits are available at Target and sell for about $30. The company is working with schools too. You can find more at browntoybox.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.